My dear Limbu students of class 4, how are you? I hope you all are fine, right? So, if you have any confusion from the previous chapters, then you may ask me without hesitation, okay? I'm always with you, my dear students. Now, we will start our new chapter from Yakthung Sapsok Phona book, page number 43. Topic Teongsi Srijanga. Meaning in English, Reincarnation Srijanga. Okay. Written by Mangyung SB Subba. Before start this poem, there is some word meaning is there in your book. You have to learn it, okay? That word meaning help you in your higher studies, okay? Now let's discuss this poem. Arakon samilain ometum saarum. Srijanga kene ongsine kene go lothik yagu sambane kene go lothik otine kene go yakthung saren maramne. Aro samila sambere patuba isik je hema watne bog je Srijanga je khune je lothik themu ongsi mu haden lagi lo khune ongsi yakthung suwang lagi khune ongsi khune je lothik themu pheri lothik yagu samba pa mele hema mu and then mikphulao thang anirum membi yagu samba bog je holy bangang kusing nitet khune je lothik oti light bangang kusing nitet member khune je themu lothik light bangang kusing nitet khune yakthung saren maram khune je yakthung saren lothik themu maram bangang kusing nitet hole chugule je samila sambele ko sarang ame lapo khune je themu yagu sambang mu lothik khune je yakthung suang oti ang khune je lothik yakthung saren je themu maramang khune e ongsi ang lorikang samila sambele ame lo abo Ora kotna mikphula mele hema pongne bhograje Srijanga, you are the reincarnation, you are the holy one, you are the light, you are means of limbu kera baje kotna kusing nitet mikphula olam ora yamo kotna natla netsi verse 2 hemo ometum saarum sapsok len ingbon kejogu sakthim samyo keseptu thiksengwa thinga ang keseptu yakthung suwangin kehingu mor halem yakthung suwangin hingu moe teongsi Srijanga je yakthung suwangin hingu mu thiksengwa pa melje identity ang thejogu khune septu abre thinga septu abre yamo sakthim samyo religion culture sapsok literature ha thale ingbon du abre septu abre Srijanga teongsi re septu abide hole chugule je khune themu lathi maram pa masang the ang mewongnen lorik samila sambele patura po aro kona mikphula lehma pongne bhagre you discover our script, you preserve our culture and custom, you are creator our identity, you make limbu alive bangje samila sambele je ajeklo abo aro natla sumsi verse 3 amometum sarum Nang wahid nam kedharu ang mikya ningum kedharu ang thok wellek ning tongli kedharu ang suang len tangsep kejogu ara thema moe nang pa meleje hema nang pa meleje snow wahid pa meleje rain nam pa mele son haje hale konha la tukhe nam tukhe jogu ba kusik pani kusing nitet mikya ningum le ara ningum punishment akhen khune yangu membi on correct theju khune thoru angmu Thok wellek ning tongli khune je kuthok kore je heman lemu ning tongli thoru angje suangin aplung tangsep chok me moi khune siang mendang we lorik samila sambele patropo member ora kotna mikphul alama mele thema pongne bhagro je you fight with snow sun and rain you defer the punishments with real preserve our culture kera ba samdang kusing nitet samila sambaran ko bansum isik membi aro kunum singba natla patum last verse mujhema wa ne bhagre je mukuba ongsi kebo khe ang Kesye sang yamo kede ang suangin khasam kejogu ang ajuni yakthung kehingu mu aro the patroba samila sambela je aro khune mukuba ongsi pokhe ang mora ha je mukuba ongsi pokhe mu te ongsi Srijanga je akidongba khune mukuba ongsi pokhe ang yamo thema pokhe khune te mu suangin khasam kejogu ang suangin lathik themu khasam bhagre je civilized jowang je yamo temu ajuni yakthung saha hale hingusi Srijanga ongsi re hingusi lorje samila sambele patropa ne bhagre khune nang wahit nam tharu mer mikya ningum tharu thok welek ning torli tharu sang kor sang thebokhe suangin aplung tangsep chokma melerun mer yamo themu khune yakthung suang len mara makhri pa masukte bhagre sok sokang ing bandu sakthim samyo sep tu mero thikseng wa thingang sep tu yakthung suang ini thichogu ajuni kharak hingu anong yakphune je yakthung suang len hemamu yagu samba bhangang pa masuktet khune lathi yakthung suang oti bhangang pa masuktet mero aro kona mikphul alam mele je last verse muje hema wa ne bhoro je you became a powerful in reincarnation again you born after your death. You made our community proud. You made our language immortal. Bangje samila sambele patropo. Aro thikleng inga kona yak thungbe mo sarangang nirung khepseme ni chamsase. Srijanga khene ongsine khene go lothik yagu sambane khene go lothik otine khene go yak thung saren maramne. Sapsoklen ingbon kejogu sakthim samyo keseptu thikseng wa thingang keseptu yakthung suangin kehingu nang wahit nam kedharu ang mikya nahen ningum kedharu ang thok welek ning tongli kedharu ang suang len tangsep kejogu mukuba ongsi kebokhe ang kese sangyammo kede ang suangin khasam kejogu ang ajuni yakthung kehingu poet Pakma samila samba mangyung SB Subba aro kona mikphula version lamang ometum saarum. Srijanga, you are the reincarnation, you are holy one, you are the light, you are means of limbo. You discover our script, you preserve our culture and custom, you create our identity, you make limbo alive. You fight with snow, sun and rain. You defer the punishment with real preserve our culture. You became a powerful reincarnation. Again you born after your death. You made our community proud. You made our language immortal. Poet Mangyung SB Subba.